All right, here's my Black and Decker box fan, or Black Plus Decker, whatever they want to call themselves these days. I still call them by their original name, Black and Decker box fan. It has 3 speeds. The speeds are only on one side. I'm going to go ahead and run it. I hope that you will enjoy the video. It does have a startup sound and hum. So here we go. Enjoy the video. You can't hear the wind noise. I truly apologize about that. At the time I bought this fan, it was only $19.99. Now, if you look at it on Amazon, they want over $30 for it. That's crazy. I'm not sure what's going on with Amazon. And they're the ones selling it. So I don't know what they think. It is a good fan, but I don't think it's really worth way past $30. At the time I bought it, it was $19.99. So take it up to medium and then high. You can hear the hum. It also has a startup sound, but you can hear the hum. Alright, thanks for watching the video this evening. I hope that you enjoyed it. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. More fan videos to come soon. God bless you, and gone.